Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my Friday live stream, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, guys. We got a red morning here, guys. We got a Black Friday sale on a lot of stocks out here. Holy smoke, some of these stocks are falling off a cliff. Um, so I'm going to talk about that, a couple strategies. Going to talk about the metaverse and the omniverse, guys. Some stock picks that'll long term make you a lot of money, but you have to have a lot of patience. Guys, if you woke up this morning and you saw that all your stocks were red, well, guys, there's two things, right? One is you have too much money in the market, right? You have too much money. If you're getting upset, you find yourself being emotional, you got too much money in, you should always have at least 15 to 20% on the side. Because if you're not looking at today like a buying opportunity, then you're looking at it the wrong way. Okay, guys? Number two, guys, if you if you're getting upset, you shouldn't approach trading and investing with emotion, okay? The goal is to not have emotion at all, okay? And once you reach that level and you realize that you plan your trade and trade your plan, then you're not going to get emotional because you're trading your plan, guys, right? So, yeah, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. I don't have the background music today, guys. Sorry about that. But I hope you will come in and join me and talk about a few things. Now, Tesla looks like it may break that $1,000 point, which would, uh, wow, that would be a little concerning on the short term. And if you were trading it, of course, a lot of traders out there, if you're trading, right, today is not a great day for you because most likely you were hoping for your stock to go up. But as a trader, you can bet against the stock by buying puts, and if you have a put, I have one put on Activision, and that actually is going in my favor because it's a huge red day. Good morning, everybody. Welcome in. Hey, Okie Grower. What's up? What's up? What's up? Thank you. Thank you for joining me. We got Dixie Cuddles Fitness. Shout out. Of course, everybody that comes into the live stream gets a shout out. Welcome, guys. Good morning. I guess everyone is shopping, not me. I'm going to be shopping for some stocks, maybe. Perhaps. I want to see what happens. Today is a half day in the market, guys. It's a half day. Hey, Lady Spellbreaker, what's going on? Thank you, Lady Spellbreaker. Big shout out to Lady Spellbreaker's channel. We got Paul Vlogs 2. Paul Vlogs 2. Check him out. He is a business partner of Commander Vlogs and a huge supporter of the small YouTuber community. So big shout out to you, Paul Vlogs too. Thank you for joining me. Happy to have you guys here. Sending love and blessings to everyone from America. That's right. I'm live streaming from Orlando, Florida, guys. So I know I get viewers from all over the world, guys. All over the world. I'm not going to do a really long live stream because this is a half a day. But what is happening this morning, if you are in the market and you are concerned, this is what I would call a shakeout or the fake out shakeout, okay? You're going to shake out people that are scared. I bought some Neo, was it, on Wednesday. I'm not shaking out of it. I know Neo's going to go to 43, then 45. Guys, I'm not shaking out of my Neo or anything else for that matter. I'm just going to watch the day play out and not get excited. And if you had money on the side, well, holy smokus, this ain't no jokus. This is a Black Friday sale, baby. This is a Black Friday sale. You got to look at the red days as a buying opportunity, right? And definitely Neo is on sale. Holy smoke, Uber's on sale. Got Uber up here. Uber looks like it fell off a cliff, guys. So you wait for that to settle out. Wait till it starts coming back up and then snag that at the bottom. You have to find where a stock hits the bottom, and you don't know if a stock hit the bottom until it bounces. It's like a ball that falls off the top of the building, right? You don't you don't know when it's going to bounce until it hits the sidewalk, right? When it hits the sidewalk and it starts to bounce back up, well, there you go. That showed you where the bottom is, and that may be what's happening right here with Uber. You see how it fell, but then it got down here, and see how the green candles, greens means good, it's going up, red, bad, it's going down. You see how it kind of bounced right here? It almost does look like a ball. Look, boom, bounce. You see that's the bottom, or what we think is the bottom at this very moment, but it might not be. But it wouldn't be a bad place for you to grab a couple shares and then step back and wait and watch it and see what happens from there. It could either go up or it could go down from there, but it looks like it's taking a nice bounce and it's going to head back up, guys. But everybody during this fall that got scared, these are people that sold. Oh my God, I'm going to lose all my money. Guys, it's Uber. Uber is a beast. You're not going to lose all your money. It's never going to go to zero. And as you see, here's a beautiful bounce right here. And you could have snagged it at a fantastic price, under $40. So that's how traders, that's just a little technique there. Buy the dip, if you will. That's another thing you'll hear, buy the dip. That's exactly what that means. You buy it when it dips. And then the whole way up, you're making money. You're making that money. Welcome, iFund Chris. Thank you so much. It's the first time I've had you join my morning live stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I met iFund Chris on Commander Vlogs live stream. So great to have you join us, and great to have everybody that joined me. Thank you so much, guys. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the metaverse. As you know, Facebook is becoming meta, but just know this: the metaverse is not Facebook. The metaverse is sort of like the next level of the internet, if you will. Okay? Facebook's calling it meta. They probably want you to think that they are the own all, the have all, the be all of meta, but they are not. Okay? You have other companies like Nvidia, which I will bring up here. Hopefully you can see it. I'll bring Nvidia up. NVDA. It's an expensive stock, but you know they make those chips that are in a lot of your laptops, desktops. They're doing so much more than that. Facebook will not be the only meta stock, okay? They would love for you to go to them to enter into this metaverse. Think of it as a going through a door or a gateway into the metaverse. Of course, Meta, or formerly known as Facebook, they will have that set up for you to do that. And of course, they want you to come to them. But they will not be the only gateway to the metaverse. They don't own the metaverse, okay? So a lot of us that kind of dislike how Facebook has been exploiting people, right, and their data, may not want to use Facebook to enter into the next level of the internet, right? There will be other players in the game, guys. There will be other players in the game. What you have to know, and this is huge. Welcome, Squirrels World. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, Back Alley Stock Picks. Guys, I'm gonna give you the tea right here. There's 4 stocks, guys, that own data. You have to think about who owns all the data, who manages the data. That will be who is going to excel in the world of the metaverse, okay? Okay? It's going to be, you're going to have Apple, no surprise there, guys, no surprise there. You're going to have Amazon, huge data collector right there. Amazon, they know everything you buy. They got the little devices in your house that you're talking to all the time, Alexa and stuff like that, right, guys? So, right? Okay, we're going to have Microsoft, right? and we're going to have Google. Google is very, very expensive, guys. Not everybody can buy Google, but they are a data collection behemoth, okay? They are collecting all of our data. So think about that, all right, guys? Some of them you may not be able to afford, but are they going to go up in value? Absolutely, yes, they will. They will go up in value. A lot of brokers will allow you to buy fractional shares or a pie slice of a stock, and you will have a piece of that stock if you cannot afford a whole share. Welcome, Darren, the shareholder bond. Thank you, my friend. They're working the bugs out right now. Absolutely. They have hundreds and hundreds of engineers and software engineers working on building this world for you. And just a little side note, guys, whether you want to enter into this or not is up to you. There's a whole country out here to explore. Wherever you're from, there's a whole country to explore. And there is your family. So you have to decide if you want to enter into this metaverse and be consumed and live this virtual life or live in this virtual world or spend your precious time. You only have one life, guys. So do you want to spend it in this virtual world or do you want to spend it out here in the real world under the real sun? With trees and animals and your family and everything, right? I know I'm starting to sound like a Fruit Loop, but think about it. Be very careful because, of course, they want to draw you in because once you are in the metaverse, you are immersed in their world and they can feed you all the advertisements and all the information and take all the data that they want because you entered it. You went through that door, guys. So as we go forward, please remember that. I believe it will be very, very, very enticing. It will be very addicting. You're going to think it's very cool, right? Of course, there will be reasons that you may want to use it, and that's fantastic. You may want to connect with your family members across the country. Good morning, Dimitri. Thank you so much for joining me. But be very, very careful about what you're doing. They're collecting data. They will essentially be collecting every last detail about you as a human being. Right, guys? We're already a part of it. We love YouTube. I'm sure YouTube will evolve. But as far as playing the stock market, guys, the big dogs will be the ones that I mentioned. Apple, Google, and Amazon, guys, right? And Microsoft. Don't forget Microsoft. The one that I think is at a fantastic price right now is Microsoft. I think Microsoft is at a I think a lot of people are sleeping on Microsoft and it has gone up about 2% since I first mentioned it. You definitely want to put Microsoft on your watch list, guys. You're going to want to put that on your watch list. I think that will do very, very well moving forward. Okay, just remember who owns the data. That's what I wanted to teach you guys this morning. Think about who owns the data, and then you will have the game plan for what stocks you may want to invest in moving forward, guys. Big shout out to Mountain of Inspiration. It's always very, very supportive of my channel. And Back Alley Stock Picks. He also has a channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you guys. Let's see what we got in the chat. Darren saying hi from London. Fantastic. We got people watching from all over the world, guys, and I'm glad to be the one to share a few thoughts and ideas for you. Today is a half day in the stock market, so we're not going to have a full day. We're only going to have a half a day, right, guys? So you have to make the most of it, or you know what? Sometimes the best thing to do is just to sit back and relax and just watch it from the sidelines, watch it from the bleachers. I think December will be a great month in the stock market, but I was speaking about this in Capitalist Academy. If you'd like to join, the link is always provided up in my banner and in the description. You get your first month free, and it's always a money back guarantee. That's why I promote it. You can't beat that. If you don't like it, you get your money back. But we were speaking about this, right? You don't always have to trade. You could be the best trader in the world. You could have tripled your knowledge in how to trade and invest and feel super confident. But there's always those times, that you want to sit back and say, "I'm good. I think I'm not going to trade today, right? I'm just going to sit back." And it's just so much easier if you just sit back and watch. I think, as we were speaking about this, I think December will be good, but then January and February of next year, which will be the first quarter of 2022, you're probably going to see a significant pullback. So if you're gathering your money for investing, you may want to wait until January or February of next year, which is great for new investors. You can just go ahead and keep collecting money to put off to the side and then buy those dips that we're most likely going to see in January and February, guys, right? So yeah, don't always feel like you have to jump in and invest. You can always sit on the sidelines and just watch the market play out. All right? Sit on your hands, right? Sit on your hands. All right, guys, I'm going to hop off because this is a short stream. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like my ideas. I will be making more videos. Please keep an eye out for them. I will make another metaverse video, and you can find out more about the metaverse stock picks that I will be looking at, guys. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you joining me. Hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving, guys, and I will see you.